How to change caption language on YouTube app. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to change caption language on YouTube application. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your YouTube app on your device. Ensure to log in and sign into your particular account. Then you will get access to the home screen or home page of your YouTube. Tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now select the settings icon at top right corner of the screen. Now select general. Scroll down. If you don't get the caption language here, you need to come back from this page. And here, under video and audio preferences, you will get captions. Select captions. And then you need to make sure to toggle the button on for caption preferences. If it is toggled off, then you won't be able to change the language. So select the language and here you will get different languages. You can easily set it to any language as per your convenience. After that, your caption language on YouTube will be changed. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.